Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, children? Welcome to our social studies class. This is our lecture number 11. Hope you all understood the previous lecture, the previous lesson, what we have read. In the previous lectures, I have explained all the things. Now, we are going to start the new unit, unit number 4. This unit is about the food and clothes. So, and the first lesson of this unit is lesson number 9 about the food. All of you know that what is food. We need food to get energy to do our work. All of us need food to do our work, to get energy, to study, to live better, to live happily. We need food. And without the food, we cannot live. Let's start the reading. All of you read with me. Lesson 9, Food. Humans, animals, and birds cannot live without food. Look, all living things like human beings, animals, and birds cannot live without food. We get our food in different ways. Any one of you know that what are these ways from where we get our food? Just try to think that what eatable things you like french fries, roast, chickens, eggs, you like these type of foods, then from where we get it. In this lesson, we will study about the ways where we get our food. Let's move forward. Some food is grown on the land. What is land? As you can see in this picture, look, this is land. And what type of food are these? What do you think? This is a tree. So some food is grown on the land. It means plants and trees. For this, we need good soil, lots of water, and seeds. How the plants and trees grows from the land? To do so, we need soil, lots of water, and seeds. The water we can get from the rain or from the rivers or lakes. Plants need all these things to grow and to give us fruits and vegetable. As you can see here in this picture, look, this is the tree. I think the tree of oranges. Here is a man collecting oranges from a tree. Yes, this is an orange tree, and the man, look, so much oranges are there. It means we get fruits like orange, apple, whatever the food we like to eat, we get it from the land, mean from the trees and plants. We get grain, fruit, and vegetables from plants. Look, now they are telling us we get what? Grain. Grain means wheat, and from the wheat we get flour. By flour we get the breads, which we like to eat a lot. And bread gives us so much energy. So all of you must eat bread with different things, whatever you like, with butter, with creams, with cheese, or with jam and jellies. Okay, children, bread is an important part of our food which gives us more energy, especially for the growing up children like you. You must eat bread regularly on daily basis. Okay, look, this is called grain. These are vegetables and these are fruits. We get food from animals also. All of you knew it. I know that we get food from animals. What animals, tell me? You like to eat roast? Yes, roast is a chicken. So it's an animal. Okay. Cows, buffaloes, and goats give us milk and meat. Birds, like chickens, give us eggs. We also eat chicken. We also eat cow's meat and goat's meat. And these animals gives us milk also. And from the milk, we get many other things like cheese, ice creams, cake. Many kinds of food can be made from eggs and milk. Look, from eggs and milks, we get cheese, ice cream, cake, and there are many more like yogurt and whatever you like creams, different type of creams, cooking cream, whipping cream. Understand, children? From where we get our food? We get our food from the plants and from the animals because everyone needs food to live, to get energy, to do work. And our food comes from plant and animals. Let's see. Look, food from plants, how plants give us different type of food. These are the farmers who are working in the fields and growing different crops. Look, he is harvesting, I think it's a rice plants, and here it is some vegetables or some different things. Here is a tractor, they are plowing the field. The two farmers, they are taking out, I think, the vegetables. Look, these also, what is this? These are strawberries. Many of you likes strawberries a lot. Strawberry milk, strawberry ice creams, strawberry yogurts. By these pictures, you can understand that how we grow our food from the land. We get our food from the land by the different process. See, we eat the different parts of the plants. The different vegetables and fruit, they are the different parts of the plants. What are these parts? Look, how many parts a plant has? Plant has 4 parts: stems, root, leaves, flower, and seeds. No, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stems, root, leaves, flowers, seeds, and fruit. 6 parts of plants that we can eat, and we love to eat these types of vegetables, flowers, and fruits. The part of a plant is stems. This is celery. It is not clear, but I'm telling you it's celery. We call it. It's like this. And sugar cane. From the sugar cane, then we get the sugar, which make our food sweet. Then the part of a plant root, it's reddish, and it's carrot. Carrot. Rabbits like to eat carrots. And you also. Carrot is a very healthy food. You can eat it raw or cooked carrot, or also you can drink the carrot juice. Carrot juice is very healthy for you children. And then these are the potatoes, and this is something else. The name is not clear, but it is the part of root. Now then the part of the plant leaves we eat, this is lettuce, cabbage, and I think it's a spinach. These are leafy vegetables which are very tasty and healthy as well. Now the flowers, it's broccoli and cauliflower. It's also a very tasty vegetable. The broccoli, very healthy and very tasty. Seeds, these are peas, and I think these are beans and corns. These are the seeds of plants. If you put these seeds again into the soil and give them water, then what happened? The new plants grow from them. And this process by which the new plant comes from the seed is called germination. Then we will get the new plants, then new fruits, new food, and the vegetables. Then we have fruit. This is eggplant, cucumber, tomato, and it's, I think, pumpkin. These are comes under the heading of vegetables, but we call them fruit because they have seeds inside them. That's why we call these vegetables as fruit. Cucumber is a favorite vegetable or fruit of the children. This is pumpkin, tomato, and eggplant. Look, the fruits and vegetables that we get from the plant as our food. And we like to eat. Look how many different types of fruits we get from the plants. It's the blessing of Allah the Almighty. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created all these yummy and delicious fruits for us. All of you like to eat mangoes, pomegranate, banana, and pineapple, papaya. Look, what's this? How many different types of fruits we have. You should try to it. Look, this is kiwi. Yes, and it's guava. These all fruits are very yummy. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created all these things for us, for the human beings. We must eat these fruits and vegetables and thanks to Allah. Look, these are the types of vegetables like cauliflower, Roman cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, red cabbage, potato. I know all of you like to eat potatoes, especially the French fries. Fries is one of the most favorite food of yours, right, children? It's eggplant, capsicum, chilies, hot tomatoes, radish, corn, ginger. These are the different type of vegetables which we get from the plants, and we like to eat because they are very healthy for us. They provide us energy, and by this energy we are able to do our work, we are able to study, we are able to do our homework or our household work or our exercises with great energy, and then you will produce a good work. So promise me today that you should eat fruits and vegetables regularly and drink milk as well. Okay, children? Good. Let's move. Now we had food from animals. What we get from animals? From animals, first of all, we get the meat. Buffalo meat or cow meat or beef, chicken, these type of meat we like to eat in different forms, like broast, like chicken curry, noodles. In noodles we put the chicken meat, and in many different ways your mothers cook food for you. Look, these are the different types. These are the sausages, these are the chicken, fish, shrimps. Now egg comes from an animal, and this animal is chicken. Chicken gave us egg. In winters, egg is very important and necessary to eat. In the morning, in your breakfast, try to make it your habit to eat one egg daily in any form. If you like to eat omelette, then you can eat a boiled egg or fried egg, whatever the type you like. You should take one egg daily and a glass of milk. And milk comes from cow. Also, cow gives us steak. Look, it's a part of meat. We love this dish. Then from the milk, we make yogurt and cheese and also creams. These all food made from milk, and milk comes from cow. Cow gives us milk. And from the milk, we make many different delicious dishes. Animals, meat, chicken, fish, cheese, these all types of food comes from animals. These food come from plants and these from animals. And we like to eat both plants and animals because we want energy. That's why we like to eat different dishes made by the parts of plants and the parts of animals. Okay, children, this is our next page, page number 25. Let's read it first. It's about the corn oil. Do you know what is corn? I show you here. Look, this is corn. You must know that what is corn because you like to eat it like this, corn or corns in your soups, or just like fried corn or sweet corns. You like to eat this. But from the corn, what we get the oil from the corn. Let's read. Oil is used for cooking. These pictures below show you how corn oil is made. Look, as I have shown you in the previous pictures, this is the field of corn. A farmer plows the land with a tractor. First, by the tractor, the field is plowing. Then what happened? Corn is sown in the field. This farmer throws the seeds of corn on the plowed field. Rain helps the crop to grow. I told you water is needed to grow the crops. So rain helps, or sometimes we get the water from the rivers. The crop is sprayed to kill pests. Pests are the kind of small insects, or you can say germs, that destroy the crops. Then our crops become unusable. So that's why the farmers sprayed the different type of sprays. You can say this is the medicine for the plants to kill the pests, the insects, which are going to destroy the crops. Okay, the crop is harvested. When it's ready, it's all grown up, then it is harvested. Now look, they are taking out corns from the plants. Then what happened next? The corn is taken to a factory. In the factory, the corn is crushed to take out the oil. It is put into tins, bottles, and bags and labeled. These are taken to the shops where we buy them. Understand, children? How you get the corn oil? There is the full process. They told you how the farmer plows the field, then corn sown, then get water, then spray to kill the pest, then harvesting, then in the factory in different machines crush the corn and get the oil, then it is packed, and by at this condition packed oil we get from the shops and we cook at our homes. So this is about the food, from where we get the food, and then in this page they have told you about the process of getting corn oil. Okay. Okay, then now it's the time to take out your notebooks, start writing the question answers. But how? With good writing. Let's see, why do we need food? Where do we get our food from? I think you can answer these questions. Why do we need food? To get energy. Where do we get our food from? Plants and animals. Why are crops sprayed to kill the pest? What else can we make from corn? Let's start writing. I'm telling you here the answer of these questions. Look, why do we need food? The answer is we need food to get energy. Where do we get our food from? We get our food from plants and animals. Why are crops sprayed? Crops are sprayed to kill pests. What else can we make from corn? Corn flakes. They have told you about the corn oil. Now, what else can we make? Corn flakes, corn flour, and corn chips. Or you can also make sweet corns or corn flakes, corn flour, and corn chips. If you know anything else which is made from corn, then you can write it. Now then we have the work page. In the work page, what they are asking, find out what you need to make the following foods. Ice cream, what do you think we need? The most important thing is, I think, the milk and cream. Bread, kebabs, omelette, jam, biryani. Okay, write a few lines about one of the foods in your notebook. Let's see, it's about the work page. What we need to make ice cream: milk, eggs, sugar, cream, and flavor. To make bread, we need flour, salt, water, and butter. Look how healthy things join together to make a bread. So that's why bread is an important part of our food. Then we have kebab. Kebab is made from meat, salt, oil, onion, red chili powder, etc. And if you want many other things, you can make a delicious kebab by adding some more things. An omelette. Omelette is made from egg, and we add some spices like salt, pepper, onion, tomato. Jam, crushed fruit and sugar. By the process, we use crushed fruit and sugar to make jam. Biryani, very delicious. Rice, meat, salt, pepper, biryani masala powder. These all things are needed to make a delicious biryani. Okay, write few lines about one of the food in your notebook. Okay, we are going to write here omelette. If you want to write some other, then you can write about kebabs or ice cream, whatever you want, you can do it. But here I just help you to write about the omelette. Just like this, you can write few lines about any other food. I like to eat omelette at breakfast. It is tasty and healthy. Sometimes I take an omelette sandwich to school. My mother makes very tasty omelette. Just like this, make a paragraph or 3 or 4 lines about your favorite food. Write like this. Then exercise B, what we have. We get some of our food from rivers and seas. Can you name some of these foods? Yes, we get fish and shrimps from the sea, lakes or river. We get, these are the seafoods. Okay, children, this is your work page. These you have to write in your notebooks, and this you can write in your book on the work page, and this also. Exercise C is not included. So we move forward and see, we have true false related to this lesson. 5 true false, you must learn them. See, number one, humans, animals can live without food. Obviously, no, false. So, this is the false statement. We get our food in different ways. Yes, it's true. We get grain, fruit, and vegetables from plants. Yes, true. A farmer plows the land with a truck. No, it's wrong. He plows the land with a tractor. This is false. Chickens give us eggs. Yes, true. Chickens give us eggs. Okay, children, just write these true false also in your notebooks and learn them properly and very carefully and be ready for your exams. Okay, then that's all for today. We'll see you in the next lesson, inshallah.